saw Shaggy.
Thank you for bringing us safely here from wherever we came from. That we are here gathered in your name. In your name. Father, we say thank you. And let's just move softly.
Okay.
Names of. Say names of.
Names of.
Books in the Bible.
Okay.
Genesis.
Exodus.
Deuteronomy.
Revelation. Romans.
Luke.
Judges. Matthew.
Mark.
James. Philippians.
John.
First Samuel.
Philemon.
Revelation.
First Kings.
Ruth.
Psalms.
Second Samuel. Guys, wait, I'm out. Wow. Sorry.
Sorry, my love.
I'm ready.
there.
No. Okay. Consecrate.
Concentration.
Names of. I'm not setting up myself.
Concentration.
Names of. Let me talk for hand. Okay. Names of people in the Bible. Joshua.
Esther.
Mary.
Mary Magdalene. Yes. Mary did this so you know. Yeah.
The Bible. Mary.
Aaron.
Jesus. James.
Peter.
Luke. Paul. Federation.
Names
Places in the Bible.
wait. Give us time to
Okay.
names of places in the Bible. Bethel. Jericho.
Jerusalem.
I don't know. No, it's not right. No.
Concentration.
Let's do names of
People that fell sick in the Bible.
that fell sick on dead people.
Needed healing.
Fell sick, needed or died.
That's a long list.
Gives us many options.
Oh yeah.
Should we do that? Or we should do the names of kings in the Bible.
Let's do kings and hands.
I know after 4 you guys are hooked. Names of kings in the Bible are good.
Yeah.
Basic one. Saul.
Asa.
Ahab.
Herod.
Jeroboam.
Jesus.
David.
Just chest it. It's not your fault, my love. Man, shit.
Who wants water or trips or anything? The widows in the Bible, the one who basically God spoke to Elijah and said, "I've prepared the widow for you to give you the next meal." If you're the widow, then Elijah said, give me something to eat. And I say, I'm gathering seeds to go and cook my last meal. In your heart of hearts, don't answer me yet, just think about it. What will you do? That's what you think about it. Here we go. Now, if you were I'm kind of one sex, so go and tell Tinubu that I'm not happy with him, that he has done this, done that, and I am going to this the punishment if you're not whatever the message was. I can't remember what this was. And he tells you that as you are going now, you should not eat, you should not drink, you should not sleep. When you just go there, deliver the message to Tinubu in the villa, and come back. Don't say hello to anybody. Don't say I want to drink. They are no they
First of all, he asked for water. He was very quick to bring him down.
because was by the well now. Where
Yes.
did he meet her?
And then he now said he wants bread to eat. And she look at what she did. She told him, she explained the story that see, this thing is for me and my child, we eat and die. And then he now said, no, don't worry, still do it. He insisted. I will look at the
bring
office
me
that
first. He
he's
said,
standing
bring me
in.
first.
Honestly, that's what I would do. I would tell him, would I said, I don't have.
Did she know that
It's
he was
for
a
me
prophet?
me and my, she could sense that he was a
She
prophet.
listen.
Honestly. There's chin.
I just saw it now.
I probably would have done the same thing.
Okay, now so
Because now I don't know how, because sometimes I don't know. They'll come and meet him like, what do you want? Maybe the daughter.
let me pour this. This is
It's
soup for the
masa
masa.
soup.
Really?
Masa
Masa soup.
Masa has
Yes.
the soup.
Oh God, this is my first time.
The person
No,
that made
It's
this
a
was
vegetable
not-
soup.
me and Toshe.
He's supposed to, she doesn't know how to make. Aside from wanting to like honor your husband, aside from wanting to be submissive to him, like I don't.
It shows that like he's let's say he's proud of me. He's not proud of me. Like he wants to use me and feel himself.
Yeah.
Why not? Like me, in the process, I'll be feeling myself. Obviously, I'm not going to use my old things to do what you want me to do. You shop for me. You add
What does it taste like?
You get it.
Like puff puff. That's the
But it's
best
made of
way.
rice.
Right.
It's like puff puff. It's not bad. I tried very like it.
Are you scared to try?
Okay, guys, let me
Say something fancy on the
taste
menu. I
this
wonder what's
with.
this.
Ah, what if it's trash? You waste of money.
What if it's raw fish? I don't like fish, so Douglas will now raw one.
With the master soup.
Put it there now.
God, I beg. Hey,
You know they say this.
blood of Jesus.
You are both for puff. Since you not it's masa.
Smell like master.
I brought
Okay, so who are we done?
Doing
Okay.
myself.
So baby girl, you're wakefulness. You're next. So
The same thing Nabot did. That's what I'm going to do.
you will not say naive
I
again.
would not say.
used to their what's it called? Their being slaves. The other slavery mindset is a terrible thing. And that's what God is trying to help us with.
Okay.
Because I was saying I don't want to. I was thinking of a scenario in my head, and then I was like, no, I don't even want this. Like, I don't want that kind of thing. And he's like, you're not even the one that is going to do it. So, why are you now acting like it's about you?
If there's anything I've come to, I tell you this year, I told myself, in everything I'm going to do,
Inside.
I'm just the messenger. I'm just messenger. In this group, I'm just messenger. Don't make me set myself on my person. God, just messenger. In my church, I'm just messenger. In my choir, I'm just messenger. Wherever I find myself, I am nothing but foolish. And you see, and God had nothing but honor it. Because imagine if Peter put that fish and saw worm.
Here's the best.
And saw
Between the
this
marina
was
and
a worm. This was a scam.
just get the coconuts to enjoy it.
What about today? That's how you're able to look at their lives and apply what they went through to you. And then you will now be able to now say, okay, if I'm facing this kind of thing in my life, like here now with Joe, in our YouTube channels or whatever it is that we are doing, and then or just in life, you're scared to make a move because you're like, will it work? You will know from this person's life that it can actually work. And it's truly work. And also praying, like Divine mentioned of how sometimes you're praying to God for years, months, and it doesn't come. But the Bible says that is it Luke 18 or one of the Lukes, how that even us that are evil, we can give our children good gifts. How much more God? So like even if it takes years, He will definitely still do it. That's why it's important for us to talk about prayer and not just talk about it, but actually engage it. Because it's in your engaging these things that your life will change. That you move from one level of baby Christian to another level.
Cheers.
I love gummy bears. These are that new chupa chups that I do. Looking at time, that leader myself. So I have to know. I cannot stretch whatever I'm sharing. But it's the night now, you have more time to just really dive into whatever.
Even if it's 1 hour, so.
Okay, to Jesus. Okay.
What again? What are we cheering to?
Just to growth.
Cheers to growth, yeah. What again?
Cheers to growth.
Mm-hmm.
Cheers to sisterly fellowship.
Sisterhood.
Yeah.
Cheers to love.
Valentine.
Oh God!
Cheers.